Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Suresh R. Parekar, working as a professor in Civil Engineering Department. Today, I will aware you about the GATE examination and IES examination related with Civil Engineering Department. Now, first, I will talk on GATE examination. I will cover 3 points in this. First, I will cover exam pattern. Then, what is cutoff in last 7 examination, and then weightages subjects wise. So last 5 examinations I have considered and their average weightages I have mentioned over here. So this video is only to aware the students for the examination, competitive examination in civil engineering. Now you can see the GATE examination pattern which was for 2021. We have exam duration as 3 hours. Total questions we have to attempt 65. And for these 65 questions, we have total 100 marks. Now the questions which are in this examination are 2 types. One, we have multiple choice question, and second, we have numerical answer type questions. Means we have fill in the blanks for second type. Now in this, total syllabus divided into 3 sections. First sections, which is general aptitude section. Second section, we have engineering mathematics. And third section, that is related with your branch. So this is for civil engineering. Now, the questions on general aptitude, we have total 10 questions. And marks allotted are 15. We have out of 10, 5 MCQs are with 1 marks. And remaining 5 MCQs are with 2 marks. In this, we do not have negative marking. So section 1 do not have negative marking. But section 2 and 3 are with negative markings. Now in this, we have engineering mathematics, civil engineering. We have 1 mark MCQs, for which we have 1/3 deduction for wrong answers. Means if answer is correct, we will get 1 mark. But if answer is wrong, then our 1/3 mark will be reduced. And MCQs with 2 marks. So our 2/3 deduction is there. Now the MCQs, or I can say better, numerical answer type questions, which we can say as fill in the blanks, do not have any negative marking. So likewise, we have total 65 questions and for 100 marks. Now, if you will see the cutoff of last 7 years, then that cutoff you can see is about 30 marks. So last year, 2020, that cutoff for general categories is 32.90. For OBC category, we have that is 29.60. And for SC/ST categories, we have 21.90. So that cutoff that was increased from 2018 to 20 because awareness amongst the student is nowadays increasing. Now, if we will see the weightages for the different groups, then we can have structural group, under which we have SOM, structural analysis, design of steel structure, RCC and pre-stressed concrete. And weightage is around 22-23 marks. Now fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine, we have 6.75. Highway and surveying, we have 12 marks. Irrigation and hydrology, 7.75 marks. Engineering mathematics, 12.25 marks. This is for 2021. Geotechnical, 15.25. Environmental engineering, 9. General aptitude, 15. So these are approximate weightages, we can say. The weightages which we have in last 5 years, so you can general aptitude, we have always 15. Engineering mathematics, we can say it ranges between 13 to 15, but from 2018 onwards, it was 15. Structural engineering, you can see this ranges between 22 to 24 marks. Geotechnical engineering, that is 14 marks. Environmental engineering, we have average around 9 marks. Transportation, we have about 8 marks. Water resources, average I am talking 12 marks. And geomatics engineering, we have 5 marks, under which we have surveying also. So this is all about your GATE examination. We have seen pattern, we have seen weightages which are expected for 2021, and then last 5 years weightages. Now we will also see IS examination, Indian Engineering Services. For civil engineering I am talking about. So if we will see exam pattern, or we have exam pattern and then we have cutoff. Now exam pattern, if we will see, you have 3 stages. In first stage, we have preliminary examination, which is for 500 marks. Stage 2, we have mains examination, 600 marks. And stage 3, we have personality test, that is interview, which is for 200 marks. So that total we have 1300 marks. So now paper 1, that is for stage 1, we have general studies and engineering aptitude, which is 2 hours duration, and marks allotted are 200. And paper 2, we have engineering discipline, that is for civil engineering, 3 hours duration, allotted marks are 300, and total we have 500. So to qualify this examination, we require minimum marks. That depends upon your cutoff of that year. If you satisfied the minimum marks as per cutoff, then you can appear for your mains examination. Here also we are with 2 papers. Paper 1, we have engineering paper, which covers around 75% structural engineering, and another we have building material construction, project management, and duration we have 3 hours for 300 marks. Paper 2, we have other all subjects, we can say, that is fluid mechanics, soil mechanics, hydrology, transportation engineering. Likewise, again duration 3 hours for 300 marks. So total we have 600 marks, and 200 marks we have interview. So likewise, we have exam pattern for this. Now you can see the cutoff. 2019, if we will see the cutoff for main prelim examination, 188. So you can see around 40%. So I can say 40% also we have 200. Below that you have cutoff that to appear for mains examination. So for selection, these stage 1 marks are not considered. Marks considered we have, that is stage 2 and stage 3. So stage 1 plus stage 2 we have 1100, and stage 1, 2, 3 we have total 1300. So now you can see we have this as 541 marks. Total we have, that is 1 and 2, and 1 we have this as 702, which is 1 300. So out of 1300, we have to get it as 702. That we can say 50% we have 650, and that is around 50 to 55%. So cutoff, if you will see, this is about 65%. Sorry, 55%. Then for OBC, that is about 50%, and for SC ST, you can see that is about 50 to 55% for all categories, we can say. For 2018 also situation is same, that cutoffs, if you will see, these are about 50 to 55% marks. 17, same fashion. So if you will see the marks, 702 for 19, 710 for 18, 691 for 17 are very close to each other. So now if we will go to 16 and 15, so actually in this, we are going to be with 464, that is still one. Now here we have 6,000 for stage 1, 4,000 for stage 2, and total we have 200 again personality test. So likewise, if we will see 2016, we have 623, and 2015 we have 674. And likewise, we have for computer examination, which is related with your civil engineering, and that is for IES and GATE also. So today we will stop here only. Thank you.